Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we are jumping straight into how to use Zoho Project for business expansion planning, perfect for setting your sights on 2025. Let's get started with the first step, setting up your project. In Zoho Project, click New Project and input your project name. Let's call it Business Expansion 2025. The reason we do this is to have a dedicated space for all your expansion-related tasks, discussions, and documents. Now that we've done that, let's move on to step 2, defining tasks and milestones. Create tasks and subtasks under your project for each aspect of your expansion plan. This could be market research, hiring new team members, or acquiring new office space. Each task should have a clear title, description, start and end dates, and assigned members. This helps us because it breaks down your overall expansion plan into manageable parts and keeps your team on track. Next up, let's discuss the importance of setting dependencies between tasks. For example, you can't hire new team members until you've secured new office space. In Zoho Project, simply drag and drop to create dependencies between tasks. This is crucial as it helps visualize the sequence of events and avoid any potential bottlenecks. Now, on to step 4. Tracking progress. Zoho Project offers a Gantt chart view where you can see the progress of each task, dependencies, and overall project timeline. Regularly review this chart to ensure your expansion plan is on track. The reason we do this is to have a real-time visualization of your project's progress and make necessary adjustments if needed. Finally, let's talk about the 5th step, collaboration. Zoho Project has features like forums and chat for team discussions and document management for sharing important files. Regularly communicate with your team members and stakeholders via this platform. This is vital as it fosters transparency, encourages teamwork, and ensures everyone is on the same page. And that's it for today's guide on using Zoho Project for business expansion planning. Remember, the key to successful expansion is in detailed planning, effective task management, and open communication. With Zoho Project, you have all the tools needed to plan and execute your business expansion successfully. So, get started today and make 2025 your year of growth.